tayo sa ating characters. Pero sino ba tayo? Pwede mo magpakilala ko as a lady girl?
Okay.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Mikaya Aliwata po from batch 2K17.2. Yes. Let's go back to batchmate ko po yung kanina. Kilala niyo ba po si Mrs. Tan? Batchmate ko yun. Dati gumaganon-ganon lang yun. Binibuwis yung buhay niya sa death drop nung Live Age 32. Hi, ako naman si Victoria Fabelia from batch 2K15.2. Oh my God, nagtagal na. Anyway, batchmate ko si Jubilin. Dalapado siya. Ay, okay. Ano lang?
Wait, hindi nyo naman sinabi, labanan pa na ng batchmates.
Ano ba laban mo?
Batchmates? Siyempre, ang ilalaban ko from batch 2K6.2. Kami, ako nga pala si Monica. At ang batchmate ko, palakpakan nyo nga ng napakalakas. Karen. Pansin ko ha, puro point 2 tayo. Magpalakpakan nga yung mga point mo.
Sino ba yung point 2?
Kasi, sa UP sa Masco, may point 1, may point 2. Ibig sabihin, point 1, first sem, second sem naman yung ano.
I just wanna say, you're the oldest in the bunch.
Yes.
Ilan taon tayo ng 2006? You've seen a lot of live aids.
Of course.
Sino ba dito marami ng live aids na nakita? Raise your hand. Sino nakanood ng live aids 1? Sino?
Oh, yun ang nasa. 2, 3, 4, 5. So lahat mo ng live aids talagang tagal na. Ano kasi live aids pa?
Welcome back. Welcome back to our stage.
And may sasabihin ka pa bilang pinakamadaldal.
Wait lang. Okay, let me process.
Come back.
Come back. Okay, ayan. Pero sino naman dito yung mga freshmen? Meron ba? Freshmen?
First timers.
Ay, mga first time. Are you enjoying the show? Yes! Isang palakpakan! I wanna hear!
Ang tawag natin dyan ay mga LA virgins. Pero hindi na virgin ngayon. Bukas ulit, nood ka.
Ayan. We'll have you know. And for those who maybe have seen Live Aids might know this, but this show was developed and written and produced by everybody on the stage. And everybody in the backstage and
Palakpakan natin kayo. Ang mga alumni members. Asa lang mga alumni members natin? Yan. Hello? Environment. Palakpakan natin ang mga alumni.
Parang 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Kasi ang tagal na pa kami.
So, ayan. So, this show was produced by all of the orgmates, the alumni, the resident members who are members now and active. And we'd like to say that, if you enjoyed the show, sino ulit yung freshman dito? Okay. Okay, dalawa. Tatlo. Ano yaman to? Mapera to. Hindi libre ang show na nila eh. Okay. So, if you enjoyed the show, baka naman gusto nyo sumali sa aming organization, diba? Ano yung ginagawa namin? This is an annual affair.
Oo, at saka kahit tayo ay tinatawag na UP sa Masco, hindi
ako Masco
lang. So, hindi siya
kailangan taga
Masco.
Ang ako lifeguard sa honor.
Film. So, Masco.
Film ka pala? Pero ikaw, Vicky, iba ka dito eh.
Ako fine art. So,
Ayun. Pero nung sumali ako, football player din ako.
Ay, football.
Yes. Varsity. Oo,
hindi ka volleyball player. Okay.
Tapos, syempre, ilang taon na yun, sir? More than 10 years na.
Okay. So, very special thing about this sport is that we have 2 words. 2 very sacred words that give us energy to do this every single, well, not every single year, because may 5-year gap, diba? But every time, we have 2 words that we always go back to give us energy. And those words are Go sa Masco. Now, we want you all to help us boost this company and say it with us. Are you guys ready? Okay, naalala niyo yung words? Locked in? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, say it with us!